Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Human Computer Interaction Week 1 Assignment 1. So the first question is, what is the primary goal of human computer interaction? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says, what is the human computer interaction? The study and design of how people interact with computers and other technologies, focusing on making these interaction effective, efficient and enjoyable. So the answer of our first question is B. Make interaction effective, efficient and satisfying. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which example represents bad design? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says bad design. Many TV remotes features dozen of buttons, including ones most user never use, creating a cluttered and confusing interfaces. So the answer of our second question is B. A TV remote with too many buttons. And now let's go to our question number 3. Usability mainly describes. So these are the option. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says usability focuses on how effectively a user can achieve their goals using a product. So the answer of our third question is B. How easily users achieve their goals. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is an interactive system? So these are the option. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says interactive system. Interactive systems are computer-based systems designed to facilitate interaction between human and digital interfaces or devices. These systems enable users to communicate, control, and manipulate data through various forms of input and receive near immediate feedback. Touch screen interfaces. So the answer of our fourth question is B. Digital ATM touch interface. And now let's go to our question number 5. Why is understanding user needs important in user-centered design? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says user-centered design is an approach that prioritizes the needs, preferences, and behaviors of users to create initiative and effective products or solutions. So the answer of our fifth question is also B, to match designs with real users' behaviors. And now let's go to our question number 6. Why is a door without signifiers push-pull marks confusing? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says a door handle without a push-pull sign is a bad design because it leaves people guessing whether they need to push or pull, which can lead to confusion or frustration if they do the wrong action. So the answer of our sixth question is C. Its affordance and signifiers are unclear. And now let's go to our question number 7. What makes a TV remote with many buttons a poor design example? So these are the options. And now let's go to explanation. So explanation says bad design. Many TV remote features dozens of buttons including ones most users never use, creating a cluttered and confusing interface. So the answer of our seventh question is C. Cognitive overload and poor usability. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which step in user-centered design involves understanding user challenges and context? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says user research, conducting surveys, interviews, and observations to understand user needs. So the answer of our eighth question is C, user research. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which HCI principle was violated in the Boeing 737 MAX case? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says the Boeing 737 MAX had a new automated software system, the maneuvering characteristics augmentation system, which activated without clear feedback to the pilot. Lack of proper visibility and feedback lead to tragic crashes. So the answer of our ninth question is C. Lack of visibility and poor feedback for automation. And now let's go to our question number 10. Which concept explains why users make errors when controls do not match their mental model? So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says affordance. Users should understand what action are possible just by looking at the interface feedback. Clear feedback should be provided after user actions. Example, a button changing color when clicked. So the answer of our 10th question is C. Mental model and signifiers. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.